third in our series of Agile video shorts. My name is Jerry Stubbs and I head up our Agile practice here in the UK. Before we answer the question, am I an Agile tester? Let's consider the sort of roles that we're used to in Waterfall. Here we have DBAs, architects, developers, testers and so on, all performing discrete activities, living their lives in a sort of bubble. There's not much opportunity for collaboration, and indeed testers are often considered to be more independent if they don't collaborate. Start contrasting that then with a pattern that we'd like to see in Agile. Here the roles are highly collaborative. There's a great deal of overlap between testers and developers and BAs and so on. In fact, the role has changed now to the point where we consider a lot of these activities as being centric activities. So we have test-centric activities, which means we have testers that are primarily focused on testing and bring a great deal of expertise to the group as a whole, but are also capable of doing much more than testing in a waterfall type environment. In considering the overlap between an Agile tester and a BA or PO, you'll see that Agile testers now help shape the acceptance criteria, though they're not responsible for it, the PO is. They help automate the tests for that acceptance criteria. They help drive SBE sessions. They undertake root cause analysis of defects and triaging of those same defects. They also help with the show and tells at the end of the sprint. That said, we don't consider Agile testers to be jacks of all trades. As an Agile tester, you bring unique experience and expertise to the team that otherwise they lack. You are responsible for test architecture, for designing the right tests at the right time to test the right part of the application. Without you, too many tests will be written and too few will actually find the defects they need to. You're now helping to drive exploratory testing, and basically you're collaborating to a far greater extent than you might have done in the old waterfall days. So, as I think you can see, Agile testers, or SDETs as they're otherwise known, have a far greater responsibility for contributing to the overall project success than they might have done in waterfall. It's a great opportunity.